Hey everyone, welcome back. If you see the message saying something went wrong in the CommBank app, this usually means a temporary system or app issue. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app and swipe it away. Wait for a few seconds before reopening it. Then check if CommBank is experiencing a temporary outage by trying again later. Then head over to your app store, search for the app, and then make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. If the error continues, log out and log back into the app or reinstall it to clear corrupted data, and that's it. Sometimes the issue can also be your network, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or be connected to a stable Wi-Fi to rule out network issues, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.